Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency specifically? Let's talk about the exciting developments happening in the realm of Bitcoin and altcoins. Just last week, we saw Bitcoin recover sharply from its weekly lows, ending the halving week with a mere 1% loss. And did you hear about the sudden surge in investment in Bitcoin? Some exchange-traded funds. It seems that investors can't get enough of these crypto products. Now, firstly, let's discuss the fascinating phenomenon of Bitcoin ETFs. Data from First-Sight Investors revealed that just one day before the halving, there was an impressive inflow of $30.4 million in spot Bitcoin ETFs. This halted a streak of 5 consecutive days of outflows. Interestingly, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust experienced most of the outflows, while BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust continued to attract investments daily. In fact, according to Bloomberg Intelligence ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, the IBIT had seen 69 straight days of inflows as of writing. With such a growing interest in Bitcoin ETFs, experts predict that even more wealth management firms will jump on board by the end of 2024. As Bitwise CEO Hunter Horsley puts it, these firms will become an amazing new constituent in a Bitcoin space. And what does this mean for the prices of Bitcoin and altcoins? Will they finally break through their stubborn resistance levels? So to answer that question, let's analyze the top 5 cryptocurrencies that show promising signs based on their charts. We'll explore each coin's current situation and potential future moves. Who knows, maybe your favorite digital currency will surprise us all. Starting with everyone's beloved king of crypto, Bitcoin, its recovery recently reached the crucial 20-day exponential moving average of approximately $65,850. Should the price drop significantly from here, it would indicate that bears are still actively selling during rallies. Keep an eye on the support zone ranging from $60,775 to $59,600. Should it fail to hold, Bitcoin's price might cascade towards the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of around $54,298. Of course, overcoming those hurdles means Bitcoin could potentially climb higher, targeting the coveted $84,000 mark. And switching gears to another popular choice among traders, Binance Coin has found itself oscillating within a tight range between $495 and $635 lately. Recently, buyers managed to push Binance Coin above its moving averages, hinting that bearish momentum might be easing. Nevertheless, breaking free from this congestion area requires either surpassing $635 or dropping beneath $425. Once this happens, expect fireworks, as the asset aims for either $692 or $460, respectively. And what's expected of? Next up, let's examine Near Protocol, which currently trades inside a descending channel pattern. So despite testing the patience of eager bulls, Near Protocol's latest bounce off the 20-day EMA indicates fading bearishness in the short term, overpowering the channel's resistance line could propel the token towards a lofty goal of $8 to $9. Alternatively, if the price fails to maintain its footing above the 20-day EMA, it could retreat to test the resilience of the 50-day SMA at $1.09. In our fourth selection today, we find ourselves analyzing assets Mantle Military. After consolidating near its moving averages, Mantle successfully breached the 20-day EMA at approximately $1.18. The Klein tested bull's determination, maintaining composure above this critical level, remains vital. Securing ground beyond the 20-day EMA increases chances of scaling with psychological barrier of 125, opening up possibilities towards 132 and eventually 151. Conversely, succumbing to the bearish grasp once again risks plunging MNT down to $1. And lastly, allow me to introduce you to Render token. Having corrected for quite some time now, Render looks poised to resume its uptrend following a successful breakout above the downtrend line. Bolstered by a flat 20-day EMA and climbing RSI, Render token appears ready to ascend to the 50-day SMA around $9.95. But first, it must tackle anticipated resistance at $9.50.
Only when it conquers this obstacle can render token halving for $10.50. Alas, should the moving averages prove insufficient barriers against further declines, swift return to $7 becomes increasingly likely.
And with that, thank you for joining me on this whirlwind tour de force across various cryptocurrencies. Remember, investing in digital assets carries inherent risks, so always proceed with caution. Until next time, stay curious and informed.